Hi, my name is Phil Topis of Microsoft's PowerCat team, and today we heard about a preview feature that I wanted to share with you that allows admins to quarantine Canvas apps so that they can't be played. And this gives you control to make sure that issues are rectified and the app isn't used in the meantime. So let me show you how it works. Here I've got one of my favorite Canvas apps, and in the other window I'm going to run the command to quarantine it. And now when I go to play it here, even as a maker, I don't have access. I get this message that says this app isn't opening correctly because it's been quarantined by the admin. And even if I come in as someone that isn't the maker, right, of course, also quarantined. Now, as the maker, though, I can go in and edit it in the studio. I'm only locked out of playing it. And this allows me then to go in and make changes that hopefully get it out of quarantine. So I'm going to unquarantine this app and show you the process of doing this on your own apps. So the documentation for this is here. This link is in the description. And you can see what we just saw. Makers can still edit the apps, but end users or anybody playing it won't. And so here's how you quarantine. Use these PowerShell commands here. And let me just show you how it works. So do set app as quarantined. We need the environment name. Now we can get the environment name from a couple of places. From the Power Platform Administrator Center, it's this link, this ID in the URL here. Now there's another ID here for the organization ID. That's not the one you want. And so we'll paste that here. Now if we go to, for the next thing we need is the app name. And we can go to make.powerapps.com. And notice also here the same ID that we need is up here. So you can get it here as well. And for the app ID, we'll go to the details pane on the app. Grab the app ID and paste that in here. And now that app is quarantined. And so now when we go to refresh this app, we see that this app cannot be launched because it's been quarantined by the admin. And then the process of unquarantining is just the same. Come up here, set app as unquarantined. And now the app runs. Now one note, if your app is in the default environment, you see that the default environment has this ID with the word default before it. You do need that to quarantine an app. And so if I open up this app, if I want to quarantine this app, I need to include default in that ID as well as the app name in order to quarantine this app. And so that's just a really quick overview of this new preview feature that we wanted to make sure that you were aware of in case you needed it to be able to control what's happening in your environment. Thanks for watching.